So I ended up at a firm named Jetty Asset Management, which was kind of an up-and-coming, scrappy boutique in the UK asset management space. They were started in 2002 for a bunch of guys left Merrill Lynch, decided to start on their own, built a business from nothing to, you know, a reasonably big business by the time I joined. And I was the first kind of graduate hire on their graduate program. There have been many ever since. Mm-hmm. And I basically worked my way up. So I started as an analyst on the internal hedge fund they had. I did my CFA. I learned all the ropes of investing and, you know, under really, really, really sophisticated and good investors with a great track record.
Mostly equity, like what type of debt?
Yeah, so the fund, it was a long short fund that was 100% equities. I primarily kind of focused on UK equities because that was the pedigree of the sort of fund management house. Mm-hmm. But we did a lot of other international stocks as well. It was just a great time because I was in a good place. The people make a huge difference, and you know, the people I worked with I really loved and I learned a lot from, and they respected me as well, despite being kind of an analyst and just kind of fresh off the sort of intellectual boat that sailed into the city. Yeah. And I just loved their respect for kind of intellectual honesty and just people having a view about stuff that they might not know anything about.